Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and I want to welcome you on this beautiful Sunday in the Netherlands. Sun is shining, my wife's away with the child, and let's go talk about a little bit about business, guys. Many of you are waiting and wanting to see how are the traders doing, what are the actions that we are taking, what are the moves we are making, and of course, how is it going? Well, with me it's going well, with the traders also, and let me share some screens and show you guys what we're talking about. As you can see, many of you know we're also in the Wise Trader, and this is like from 9th of April. And since then he made like, he's not trading on Fridays many times because he says the market's going crazy. And as you can see, well, he's making some profits. So we are doing good with the Wise Trader. If we're gonna check the Bybit traders, you're gonna see here that this Chinese trader has made 2%. Carl has made almost 15%. The real world has made almost 5%. Bitcoin has made 22%. And Andrew Carnegie has made 43%. You can see that Rocksteady, I believe he's still steady holding. We're gonna check it out. Yeah, he's still steady holding. He is long on Ethereum. And you can see it, he's long for a while now. And he's got like also $25 again winning there. And also you can see Sean did better, but Sean had a little drop. And a fun fact is, guys, that we're doing this in a good way. So you can expect us to, when they make a profit, oh, let's go here. When they make a profit, we move it to the funding wallet. This is also, of course, to make sure that profits are not lost. And I wanted to show you guys this. Yesterday, I showed you guys that we were finding some bots. We were spreading over multiple bots. And this is the results. Let's check it out here. This bot has been active 22 hours and 30 minutes. He has made 128%. And he's longing the GPT USDT. And then let's go back to the bots, guys. You can see that some bots are doing well, some bots are not. We gave them all a small investment and we spread it over multiple places. You can see like this one made 10% overnight with Solana. This one on Bitcoin made 13%. This one on ACS lost 1.34. And also this one made 23%. This one made 127%. This one made 25%. This one's not doing anything. So I'm thinking of eliminating this one, taking the 25 back and then putting it in something else. You can see this one made 25% and this one made a whopping 118% also. This is just of 22 hours, of course, so it's going to go up more. It's going to go down more. You never know, but we only know for sure that we are going to take away the profits and go back to the starting amount. And of course, we can put up a whole lot more and we can say, well, let's do it like this. We're going to push a lot more in it and we're going to do it. But guys, this is not a casino, you know. We're going to take it slow, step by step. We're going to make sure that all bots are going to have a profit, that they are over 100% in profit. Then we're going to take out the amount and then we're going to push it back in. This is to make sure that even if a bot dies, he will not lose any of our funds. This is important to me because, of course, we are making sure that everybody's earning. So you can see it here, like this is quite a nice bot. He got 200 grids. Other bots, you see 33. They don't have many grids, but they're still earning. But of course, those with 200 grids, they are going crazy. This one not. But I can say, guys, there's a lot of changes going to come. And let's make sure that everybody's understanding how to do this. We can also see the total if we're going to go to the home page. And you will see that overnight our bots have made 32.7%. This is like not even in an hour, or not even in a day. So I thought I'd just go and update a little bit about how to do. Yeah, it's copy trading. So of course there's always risk involved, but I just show you guys like how I do it. Small steps, take away the profit, go back again. Small steps, take away the profit, go back again. It's a slow way of growing, but you're gonna make sure that you're gonna keep on growing because we don't want a bot going 1000% and to zero. Simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is PTC Pet. More videos going to be uploaded also about abundance, of course. Let's keep making money together, guys. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep going.